So the CFS for our describing map for setting says that we have to write in complete sentences, give a detailed description of the time, and a detailed description of the place. So for my example, the time was 2003. I was in middle school. Oops, I almost forgot the CFS says complete sentences. So the story is set in 2003 middle school. Oops, I almost forgot. The CFS says complete sentences. I was in middle school. And I was in 7th grade. Is that right? Was it 2003 or 2002? Who knows? Anyways, I gave a detailed description of the time and I wrote in complete sentences.